I love entrepreneurial life. I think it's a beautiful journey and adventure, and everyone have the passion. Like, okay, we want to solve this. How we can solve it? Can you help me to improve my project? They really have the passion to do it.
We are confident that we're building something solid, but we also know that we want to learn more and that we always need to constantly learn and have refreshers.
In this program, it's very useful for us so we can achieve our objective together.
I didn't know that I would be chosen to pitch, and then when I get chosen, this is real deal. Am I going to San Francisco?
It was really a privilege to me to be attending on APEC, because it's not about just I'm coming to the GIS for a week. I will meet all the leaders from all over the world. I will see how they run the economics in every single countries, and then we learn all of their businesses, their approaches. I'm really amazing that okay, I'm not surviving alone. At least I know there's someone who also struggle with me.
Meeting with everybody here and gathering with the other girl is not something that is common. So that helped me a lot in improving my business idea and also expand my my horizon. It's even more than what I expected. So I'm very grateful.